Hey guys. Ew. Hi guys, it's your local crazy vegan. Okay, so I was kind of just starting to cook banana bread. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Hopefully this will be up today. I don't know if it's not. Happy Valentine's Day. So I was cooking banana bread for my mans and I was gonna like, you know, be all cute and be like, oh my gosh, here's banana bread. And then I was like, it's really quiet in here. So then I started playing Keaton Henson and started crying. So then I was like, let's do a cook with me. And I look gross. I literally just rolled out of bed. Who knows like what even happens in my sleep.
Yeah, Madison, really can't tell.
So I'm gonna be making banana bread and I'm getting this recipe right off Pinterest, so don't sue me if it completely flops, but here's what you need. I already started mashing the bananas. 2 bananas. Gonna need a good baking soda and a good brown sugar moment. Vanilla, vegetable oil. I swear, if somebody comes home and I'm just like, I'm baking. It's gonna be awkward. You need some cinnamon and you need some plant milk. Why do I keep going like that? Yes, we have coconut milk. Oh, oven set to 350. Let's do this, boys. Hey guys, it's me and welcome to the kitchen. This is to roughly mash the bananas. So we're just gonna roughly mash them. And then we are supposed to add the brown sugar. We need 1/2 cup of brown sugar, y'all. I like to eat brown sugar right out of the bag because it really is good. It's probably not good for you, but it's good for me. So we're just gonna, oh, okay. This is gonna be so ASMR, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my ASMR channel. We are going to add our vanilla. I never measure vanilla, so don't roast and toast me when I put 1/2 the bottle in. And then we need to add the oil, which is so important if you're, you know, I don't really know. So, all right, so we're using just vegetable oil. If you want to be good and healthy, you can use coconut oil, but I don't really care. I'm not one of those vegans who's like, oh my gosh, high carb, low fat. We're just doing it for the animals. And then we're gonna add our coconut milk. Hi, buddy. So we're gonna go outside. You might see him walk by. Look, look. Nope, I read that right. 1/4 cup. Oh, okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, we're gonna give that a good stir. This is not pretty, okay? Any of you Gordon Ramsays out there, please tell me what's wrong with this. We have to sift the flour, y'all. Is that really important? Do we have to do that? So we're gonna set that aside. We need 2 whole cups of flour. That has to be a joke. I don't even know if I own 2 cups of flour. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I have a whole thing of whole wheat flour over there and I'm just choosing to pretend like I didn't see it because, you know, personally, I don't like it. So I'm just gonna pretend like I didn't see it and we're gonna go in with a good pestified bleach flour. Doesn't look healthy, but we're gonna do it anyways. I'm not in it for the health, okay? I'm in it for the taste. Roast me and toast me if you want, but girl, I'm ignoring that whole wheat flour. That's all I gotta say. Oh shoot, I was supposed to sift it. So baking soda. We need 1 teaspoon. How am I, why did they open it this way? Oh, they just got it all over the floor. There we go. That was so satisfying. Cinnamon, it says 1 teaspoon, but y'all know we don't measure cinnamon. I don't measure salt either, which is probably not good, but I have this nice sea salt here. We're just gonna take a pinch. Now, because it's dry ingredients, let's just try this. Ew, see, this is what happens to me. It just gets stuck and it's like a complete waste of time. Cooper wants to be a part of this. Hey, bud. Look at him, look at him, look at him. He's so cute. This is like the ugliest angle of all videos. Like, I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm supposed to use a wooden spoon to mix this. I don't listen. Okay, so we're basically done. So now we're gonna add it in together, I guess. It didn't say to, but I'm imagining you have to add the 2. That was disgusting. So now we're gonna mix this in with a fork because I literally cannot use a whisk. Here we go, I'm gonna give it a try, give it a taste. I mean, I mean, not bad. Since we can't do walnuts, we're going to do toasted coconut chips. What else would you do? Why is this so dark? Has it been this dark the whole time? All right, she's going in the oven. Oh, we'll do 46. I'm not gonna clean my mess just yet. I always save that for later. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make breakfast. And I'll see you guys when the bread is done. We got 4 minutes on the clock. Oh, she's looking good. She is looking delish. Let me actually test that because it looks done. Well, y'all, I personally think this is a success. I mean, look at the detail. Look at the detail. Gordon Ramsay, who? I am Master Chef. That's the tea. That's the bread. That's the real thing. So, yeah, I'm gonna eat my avocado toast. Chef Madison is retiring and not coming back for a while. All right, guys, so unfortunately there's not gonna be a taste test in this video because my banana bread is a gift for somebody. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. It was like so different from anything I've really ever done before. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. I'm trying to, you know, mix it up, do some different stuff here. So, oh gosh, the sun just wants to move right now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on because there's a lot of videos coming really soon. All right, guys, I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.